Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Serkan here. Today we are in Trabzon, Kashiosto region. I'm going to show you a beautiful apartment with sea view, 3+1, which has 150 square meters gross area in the total, which is located in this beautiful project. Really beautiful project, nice location. Let's talk about the location of the project. It is very close to airport, center of the Trabzon. At the same time, within walking distance, highway, supermarket, shopping mall, seaside. This place is very beautiful, very advantageous from all angles. As for our project, it consists of 2 blocks, was built on 2000 square meters land size in the total. There are 2 apartments on each floor. At the same time, you have parking lot, playground. This place is very beautiful, very advantageous from all angles. Now let's go to see apartment. Hi again, now we are located inside of the apartment, beautiful apartment. Everything is very nice. As you walk into home, there is an entree is welcoming us. On the left side, you have a living room. On behind me, you have a kitchen. In this section, you have 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 1 classical WC. Let's begin tour from the living room. This is living room, around 20 square meters. As you can see, everything is looking very beautiful. The wall is very clean. High ceiling, suspended ceiling has been completed. Right over here, we are seeing TV unit and internet unit. Right over there, you have a windows. It starts from the floor, go to ceiling. From this section, you have very beautiful sea view and city view. The landscape is really very beautiful. You can feel very beautiful atmosphere from here. Okay, let's keep continue. Now we are located inside of the balcony, really very large, at the same time useful balcony. From your balcony, you have very nice, very beautiful panoramic sea view. From all angles, this apartment is really very nice as location, as place. Let's keep continue. We are in kitchen, beautiful kitchen, large, at the same time useful. We are seeing in here kitchen cabinet, countertop is nice. The ceramic is very quality, at the same time high ceiling. You have a refrigerator section. At the same time, you can set up your dinner table in this section. From the all angles, this kitchen is very nice, very useful. Let's keep continue. Heating system is central heating system. This apartment. Okay. This is bedroom, very useful, very beautiful. It has 15 square meters around. Now we are located master room. It is 20 square meters. At the same time, you have a ensuite bathroom. Right over there, you have a small balcony. Let's see the bathroom. You have shower cabin. Ceramic is really very beautiful, very quality. The color is really nice. Let's keep continue. From the master room, we are going another bedroom. This bedroom is really very beautiful, useful. At the same time, you have a balcony, small balcony. From this balcony, you have a beautiful nature view. Let's continue. Right over here, we have a bathroom. Your shower cabin, WC, sink, mirror are available inside your bathroom. At the same time, the ceramic is very quality. The color is very beautiful. Right next to bathroom, you have a classical WC. You can see you have a sink. From all angles, this apartment is really beautiful. Spacious apartment, brand new apartment. At the same time, you have a nice sea view from this apartment. Today we offer you a beautiful apartment as location, as region. There are virtually anything in this beautiful place. Everything is perfect in this beautiful place. Thank you so much for watching us. See you another time for another new video. All the best.